So today I am reviewing this adjustable 2-inch receiver hitch on my 2002 Sierra Denali with quadristeer. We got quadristeer because I bought this truck to tow, and so we're going to check out this 2-inch hitch. It's aluminum, comes in this like black coat. You can see it has two adjustments here and here depending on how far you want to put the hitch in. Nice and lightweight. And another nice feature is it comes with these anti-rattle stops. So you can bunch these up as such to make sure that it gets a nice tight fit and it doesn't rattle around and make a bunch of noise. Because when you're in a Denali, you want that luxury and comfort, and you don't want it rattling around. So it looks like for this one, I would probably need one. Yep, one puts it right perfect. Then you can tighten this up to do that. Others you're going to need two. Comes with the Allen wrench to do it. Comes with two locks. These are really nice locks. And what I like the most, one thing I really like about it, comes with 4 keys. You want a lot of these keys. Nice to have. No one's going to take your hitch or anything like that. Also comes with this solid metal plate here. And it comes with these O-rings to put on the locks in order to make sure they don't rattle. So they're really helpful with the rattles. It has a nice knurling right here. Simply open up the lock. A couple things I really like on this hitch. You have this nice black lock here. It's nice and short. They give you the O-rings to add to it. You have these rubber stops right here, and this nice included Allen wrench, and you can twist this. All that rattle, go ahead and twist it, tighten it all up. Already feels less. Do the other side. Oh, that's gonna feel a lot better. Get that luxury of the Denali. And then there's this groove here. You can adjust this ball. It has a Allen right there, 2-inch and 2 5/16, depending on your needs. So if you have multiple trailers hauling different stuff, you can swap these around. This is a 6-inch drop or raise. You can flip it to raise it, lower it to drop, and you have 6 different adjustment holes about 1 inch apart, and it has this groove, so it's very easy to slide up and down. Nice and lightweight. And yeah, again, you have another locking pin. Usually put it right here, and you know, different trailers are going to require different amounts that'll need up. Another locking pin. 4 locks, which is super nice. Go ahead and lock this up. Nice and secure, and a real great hitch, and you're ready to tow. I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.